Hey y'all, Brenna here again. I showed you what I was doing in there working on the rig. And so I'm coming out here to show you kind of more firsthand what is happening out here on Gary's side. But we're working on the other side first, but he's already got all the latches out. So I'm going to show you these latches. Latch looks like that. And I open the cubby. Oh, this is a perfect example. So there's a metal plate here that goes to the back side of that latch. So he has to take off the metal plate. And then here on the end is the latch, and it's riveted on. So he has to drill out these rivets, kind of like I was doing in there. And then this is the latch piece. If you can see, let's check that latch out. That latch looks horrible. It's got a big old chunk missing out of the middle of it. So that's kind of what we're doing. So I'm gonna close this back up. I'm gonna take you around. This door, I don't like this door. It's a very difficult door. It may have more issues than latching. Let's just say that. Crawl out of here without hitting my head. That's always a bonus. And come over to the sunny side of things. Oh, he's just finishing one right now. Just finishing it. How's it going, Mr. Lyle? Good. See, that's that last piece he does is put that plate back on. And see, now we have a nice shiny latch. Shiny latch. You keep moving it. Shiny latch. See? All right, so he's going to close this one. I'm going to let you see kind of the whole process that he does. And this is not giving me an option to switch things around, I don't think. I don't know what that button is. Okay, I don't know. So we're just gonna have to spin around. So here is what he's looking at. See this hole? He got fillet. He got the piece that I brought him. I can't tell if I'm looking at you or not. Piece that I brought him. He's got the little lever arm that goes in it. He's gonna push it in there. Almost got it, baby. There you go. Ouch, don't hurt yourself. So now you can see the little lever arm right there. Now he's gonna bring around that big face plate. Oops, I'm on the wrong side. We're showing your keister, baby. He's putting on the face plate.
I'm missing the arm over here.
Oh, did the arm go high on you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got it, you got it. Yep, that's it. That looks good. And now you just got to get that face plate on there, or the back plate, right?
Yeah.
And line that up with the holes. Is that hard to do, get those holes lined up?
No.
It's not. Tell me how easy it is for you.
Watch, you'll see.
Watch and we'll see how easy it is. It's hot on this side of the camper. It's beaten down sunshine. I'm not sure we're up to the second side today. Mr. Lyle worked all night last night. Then he had a crown put on today, and he's not slept yet. And it's near dinner time, I think. I think it's probably 4 o'clock. All right, here he goes. He's got his handy dandy screwer inner thing. Hope I'm showing it to you right here. That's 2 to go. Kind of get them started first with your thumb.
Otherwise they're hard
to know that you got them going. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Ooh, I thought that one was going to fall out. Nice. Beautiful, Mr. Lyle. This is what you call teamwork.
Yeah.
Talk to y'all later.